Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to change your username on Cash App. So let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser and log into cash.app on a website, or simply open up your Cash App mobile application. Once you're signed into your Cash App account, go ahead and click on the account button from the left hand side menu. Soon after you do that, this will open up your basic info page. Scroll down and click on the edit button right next to cash tag, since your cash tag works as a username on your Cash App account. Simply click on edit and enter your cash tag that you'd like to set to. Make sure to find the cash tag that is available, and once it is, click on save. Remember that your cash tags can only be changed twice. Once you set a new cash tags, previous cash tags becomes inactive so that no one else can claim them. You can switch back to your previous cash tag anytime, and always make sure to choose a cash tag that's easy to remember and share it with others. Click the save button in order to save your change, and you will then be able to change to a new username, or also called cash tag, on your Cash App account. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.